This is Steve. He's a project manager in a big company and he has to host an important meeting. But he can't attend. No problem. Thanks to Tamashare, Steve can run his meeting remotely using the Tamashare features of collaboration and presentation. He is able to manage his post-it meetings with remote participants with simultaneous interaction and the automatic file update. Then, Steve has to work with the Indian team on a new project. He can operate on several sites with low bandwidth. All data will be shared instantly. It can be post-its, notepads or any kind of documents, and nothing is stored in a cloud. Steve ends his day attending an interactive class presented live by real teachers. When he comes home, Steve receives automatically every meeting report and shares them to the participants. Use Tamashare and your meeting won't be a nightmare.